This is a database from FileMaker Pro, version 12 or newer. It is the current standard. You need the Claris FileMaker software to open it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify the version. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade FMP12 file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. The FMP12 file is the native proprietary database file used by FileMaker Pro, version 12 and later. It functions as a complete single-file database containing all tables, forms, scripts, and records. Developed by FileMaker Inc., the format is closed-source and highly version-specific. The file structure is proprietary and requires a modern version of the FileMaker Pro application to correctly read and manage the database. The reference software for validating FMP12 integrity is FileMaker Pro from Claris. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows cannot display meaningful content from these files, so dedicated database tools are required to read them. We'll conduct a full system compatibility scan now. Right-click your FMP12 file and select Open With. Test FileMaker Pro if it appears. If it fails, select another application. This is a process of elimination. If you are still having trouble opening the FMP12 file, do not worry. The reason for the error is almost certainly the FMP12 file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, opening in FileMaker Pro. Install FileMaker Pro 12 or later from Claris and launch the application. Use File then Open to load the FMP12 file. The database displays with all layouts, records, and scripts ready for use editing or development of custom database applications. Next, hosting on FileMaker server. For multi-user access, deploy the FMP12 file to FileMaker server. Upload the file through the admin console, which makes the database accessible to multiple FileMaker Pro and FileMaker Go clients simultaneously across networks for collaborative database use. Finally, accessing on mobile. Use FileMaker. Go on iPad or iPhone to open FMP12 files for mobile access to your database. Transfer the file through iTunes file sharing iCloud or directly from FileMaker server. The mobile app provides read and edit capabilities for field-based database use. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.